Looking for the best portable workbenches? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 portable workbenches on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Worx, Pegasus. Converts quickly between work table and sawhorse. Supports up to 300 pounds in work table mode and 1000 pounds in sawhorse mode, thanks to steel supports and fittings. Can be joined with other Worx products. Clamps hold materials up to 18 inches wide. Folds to compact size and is fairly light, 28 pounds. This workbench works like a dream for those who need to quickly set up and break down at job sites or around the house. At 32 inches in height, it is a little too low to work on comfortably. At number 2. Keter, Folding Workbench. When folded, this workbench is only 4.4 inches thick and the built-in handles make it easy to transport. The versatility of the workspace allows you to perform everything from sawing to gluing. It is capable of supporting up to 1000 pounds. While this portable workbench is designed to be best for a miter saw, it can accommodate a wide variety of tasks. You must be careful when setting this up as it's easy to accidentally pinch your finger. At number 1. BLACK+DECKER, Portable Workbench. A one-handed clamping system, footrest, and vertical clamping option make this tiny workbench highly functional. While it is only 29 inches long, the heavyweight steel design makes it capable of supporting up to 550 pounds. This is an ingeniously designed, compact workbench that has features not found in other models. A few individuals noted that the instructions could have been a little easier to follow. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.